Hi, I'm George Stoutenberg. I'm president of Profit Solutions, and Profit Solutions is a boutique construction company that works with private homeowners. We work with private investors and private developers for remodels, commercial, industrial type projects, whether ground up or tenant improvements, and then with investors for multifamily homes. I got involved with Profit Solutions based on past experience with Steve Profit, the founder and CEO who established Profit Solutions in 2015. We've had a long history together in the construction industry, and the idea of bringing enjoyment back into actual construction was very appealing. So we decided to establish Profit Solutions to have fun again, in that the decisions that need to be made are made by the homeowner, the investor, the developer, and Profit Solutions, which helps keeps the flow of the construction project. And then at the end, you're dealing with hopefully the satisfaction of the client directly and seeing the joy or the reward of their investment directly. So we have a few types of typical projects that we do. Homeowner who loves their house, doesn't want to move, has equity within the house or liquidable funds that they can use for the remodel. We assess their home, hear what they would like to see as a finished product, and we put that to paper. We put proposals together based on their approval of the budget. We go in and do the construction. If an investor comes and says they want to do, would like to do a multifamily home, they either have the property in mind that they want to, or they ask us for assistance in identifying a property that's lucrative in nature. And so we work with other realtors that can bring us those properties. We put a pro forma together, identifying all of the entitlement costs, all of the construction costs. If it pencils out and the investor wants to go forward with it, we sign a contract with them and we go into design. I think the thing that makes Profit Solutions special is that we have a number of seasoned veterans, if you will, people with 30 plus years of experience that still have the love and the drive for construction, and that have the ability to listen to what the client is requesting and being able to translate that into a finished product. What we saw as the potential here in Southwest Riverside County was a lot of the versatility that is available, whether it's industrial or commercial, whether it's the people who've been established for 15 or 20 years that want to add on or have to add on because of caring for older parents, or need to remodel a downstairs bedroom or add a downstairs bedroom to take care of an elderly family member. So I think with this area, there's quite a bit of that is available. As far as our growth goes, we're always looking for good, dependable employees who want to learn, who are self-motivated and want to learn. And actually, as of the first of the year, our staff has actually grown. So we want to continue to grow. We have the work to substantiate that growth. So not only are we looking to expand for employees in this area, but we want subcontractor base as well. So if you're interested in contacting Profit Solutions, there are several ways. We have our physical address here in Murrieta, which is located near the corner of Ivy and Washington Avenue in downtown Murrieta at 24910 Washington Avenue. You can call our office at 760-999-2146. And you can visit our website for some examples of our work at www.profitsolutionsinc.com.